Hello Kekies, welcome back to my channel. It's the Keki Duck here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on any videos. Today we're making this beautiful, smooth and silky black buttercream. Black buttercream was a trouble for me for a long time until I discovered this hack. So I'm gonna show you how to make it and I'm gonna tell you the hack I use. So let's just get right into it. So when you're starting, of course, you're going to start with your base, which is your white buttercream. This is a Swiss meringue buttercream. I'm going to leave a link at the top to my recipe for using this. So you start off with that and you're going to add your brown cocoa powder. So you don't need a black cocoa powder or the Dutch treated cocoa powder. You know, I see other videos admonishing black. I mean, if you have black cocoa powder, that's fine, but it's not very common. So don't think that you really need to go sourcing black cocoa powder. You can just use your regular cocoa powder. So you're going to use that and it's going to give you, of course, this brown base. The essence being that you need a brown base so that you don't use too much black coloring, so that it doesn't taste bad. If you use a lot of black coloring, it's going to give you a metallic taste. So that's why we are going to start off with the brown base first, and then we're going to add our black buttercream, our black food coloring, and I'm using Americolor, which is a gel food color. You can use any other gel food coloring that is good. Just don't use a liquidy one that will make your buttercream more liquidy. So yeah, so I added that and it's gonna just give us this. Of course, when you mix black and brown, it's gonna give you a grayish color, and that's fine because I'm gonna tell you, or I'm gonna show you the hack I used to then turn that grayish color into that smooth silky black buttercream we saw. So unlike the American buttercream, the Swiss meringue buttercream doesn't take up color as quickly or as well as the American buttercream. Yeah, but still, with this hack I'm gonna show you, I mean, it doesn't make a difference really, because the end result is still a very deep black buttercream, which doesn't taste bad. You know, you don't get that metallic taste. You still get to kind of it still stains the tongue, because definitely, I mean, of course, it's still black buttercream, so you still may need to warn your clients or whoever you're making this for that the black buttercream will still stain the tongue black, but you are gonna end up with a very smooth silky black buttercream that tastes absolutely delicious. Now we're gonna first taste this and make sure that, of course, the taste is still good. You know, we've not added too much, and that's what I just did there. I just made sure, and it was perfect. It was not tasting metallic at all. Now let's introduce our immersion blender. Yes, so this is the game changer. This is the thing that gives us what we're looking for. This is what it does is kind of like emulsifies the whole mixture so that the coloring enters into the fat, leaving you with this smooth silky black buttercream that tastes absolutely amazing. And you can do this with, you know, a blue buttercream or red buttercream, you know, any buttercream that you just need a deep color. Just look at that. So I mean, look at what it was. It was grayish initially, and then it's the end result with this immersion buttercream is this deep black buttercream. Yeah, so just try it out. You know, try it with the red. If you start off with red, you know, mixing red with white, it's going to give you a kind of pink or orangey buttercream. But then when you add this immersion buttercream, it's going to give you that deep red. If you try it with blue, it's going to give you a deep royal blue as well. So yeah, that's it. That's my hack there. So try it and let me know how you got on with that. Subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed yet. Watch my other videos. I have so many videos for you guys, and I'll really love to hear your feedback. So please leave me a comment down below, like and share, and thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.